Mistplay and Payday both focus on helping users earn rewards through mobile activities. But they work differently, and the better choice depends on what you want from a rewards app. By the end, you'll know how Mistplay and Payday compare, what each one is designed for, and what to check before choosing one. Mistplay is built around discovering and playing mobile games. If you prefer earning rewards while trying different games, its main appeal is the gaming-focused experience. You can browse available games inside the app, complete the required activities, and earn rewards based on your participation. Payday takes a different approach. Instead of being centered only around mobile gaming, it focuses on reward opportunities through its own system. The experience depends on the tasks available and how you prefer to interact with the app. The first difference is the type of activity. Mistplay is a better match for someone who already spends time playing mobile games and wants a reward system connected to that habit. Payday may appeal more to users looking for a different type of rewards experience. The second difference is how you use your time. With any rewards app, the key question is whether the tasks feel worth completing. Check the available offers, understand the requirements, and see whether the reward process matches your expectations before spending a lot of time inside the app. Another thing to compare is the reward system. Look at how each app explains earning progress, what redemption options are available, and whether the process is clear before you commit your time. Mistplay has a strong connection with mobile gaming because that is the core of its experience. Payday provides a different rewards approach, so the right choice depends on whether you want game-based activities or another type of earning system. Before choosing either app, read the current terms, check user reviews, and test the experience yourself with a small amount of time. Rewards apps can change their offers and features, so the current app experience matters more than older opinions. The main points are simple. Mistplay is focused on gaming rewards. Payday offers a different rewards experience, and the best option depends on the type of activities you actually want to complete. Try both apps if they are available to you, compare the effort required, and keep the one that fits your routine better. If this comparison helped you choose, like the video and subscribe for more app guides and fixes.